Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids, and we're looking at the latest Hunt Vault Elite subscription box. Let's take a look inside and see what we get. Alright, first up is a product from Gerber. Really excited for this one. It's from their new fishing line. As you can see, this is the controller 6-inch fillet knife. So it does come with the knife, obviously a sheath, and also a sharpening rod as well. Has a little info there on the side. It says this is for fishing. It's stainless steel. It has the Hydro Tread grip, corrosion resistant with mirror polish, and sheath with sharpener. I'm actually headed out with some friends today just to hang out, 3 of our families, and there is a lake nearby, so I'm going to do some fishing. So maybe we'll have some fish tonight. I'm going to bring this just in case. They've got a pretty broad array of fishing gear now, Gerber does, both freshwater and saltwater. So I encourage you to check them out. I saw them at SHOT Show 2019, and was pretty impressed with. I mean, they are definitely pushing into more and more fishing gear. Next item is really cool. This is a headlamp from Hybrid Light. You can see I've got the strap here if you want to put it into headlamp form, but it also comes with this clip right there, and that allows you to attach it to the brim of your hat. So let me just do this real quick, like so, and then that's it. Super lightweight, and it's got a couple different colors here. Let's see if we can get to go to the different color settings. All right, so there's your standard setting. Hold the button down. It'll go to red, hold the button down again. Go to green, hold the button down again, and back to your standard white. So that's really cool. I mean, this thing is tiny. Just like throw this in a pocket and boom, you're ready to go. I love the idea of being able to clip it on your hat, and then a micro USB forward charging. So that's your second item in this month's Hunt Vault Elite box. This is I think I'm going to put this in a pack somewhere. I really like that concept. And then again, the strap to charge it up. All right, so the next 2 items I got, I'm actually going to see, like I said, some friends today. One of my buddies is into archery, so he's going to get these. These are mechanical broadheads, and as you can see, those things are going to do some serious work when they hit your animal. It says increased penetration and blood trail, 100 grain, .031 blade thickness, and then they do have information on the back if you need to replace the blades. The other item they're giving us is heavy duty. Looks like 4 of them. Yeah, 4 extra large bags for elk, caribou, or moose quarters. And this is from, what's the name of this company? Kula Buck, I think it is. Yeah. So anyhow, this is you know, once you have done your field dressing, this is how you're going to haul out what you're taking home. Next up we have this, which is the tangle-free timber strap, and basically, as you can see, it's a piece of webbing you're going to strap around a tree, and then you can hang your gear from it, whether it's like a coat, a hat, whatever it is, so you're keeping your stuff up off the ground when you're in your blind or you're out in the woods hunting. It says, I think it said in the information I read, like in your blind, but certainly if you're up in a tree stand, you got to hang some gear, you can use this as well. Just make sure you're being safe with that. Even if you're not using this in a blind and you've got a spot out in the woods where you go regularly, it's very lightweight, something you could bring out there to hang up your gear. I could see this as a camping item as well if you need to keep gear off the ground. So not just for hunting. Tanglefree.com is the website. Timber strap. So that's the next item. That's cool. I'll definitely be using this probably back at the Bushcraft base camp that we're working on. So yeah, next item. Next item, you can see it's actually on me. It's a Duck Commander hat. I'll just put a little shade there so you can see it. It's got the little thing there, and this is a fitted hat, so it doesn't have the snaps in the back. I will say, the logo right here, if you don't have any hair underneath the hat, this thing can actually start to irritate your head a little bit. So just a heads up for those of us who are challenged in the follicle areas upon your dome. So I just want to let you know about that. Next up we have this, which is from Tangle Free, and this is a 4-loop lanyard, and it's got a whistle drop as well. Let me see if I can organize this properly. So there are your 4 single loop drops, and then here is your whistle drop right there. So organize your gear when you're out on the water or on the edge of the water hunting your waterfowl. So that's cool. And in this month's box they threw in a couple extra items. This is one. This is a hook, obviously, to hang gear. This is from Mossy Oak, a ground blind gear hook, officially is what it's called. So there's one item. Second item is this, which is a seat to sit on when you're in the outdoors, obviously. This last one wasn't mentioned in any of the information, but this is from Gear Aid, and it's a cooling towel. So basically you dampen it and you can wrap it around your neck area, and it'll help to keep you cool. Very simple little item, but especially on hot days, that's a really nice thing to have. So yeah, this is a quick video here. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing videos, I don't often take all the gear out and test it full-fledged just because there's so much gear coming in monthly boxes. I don't have enough time to do that, so I usually just let people know about what the gear is so you can learn about it. Hunt Vault Elite box is what we're looking at. Check them out at huntvault.com if you want to learn more about their monthly subscription boxes. They've got a lower end and a more expensive end of boxes, and as someone, I said this a million times, but I tend towards being an outdoorsman and a fisherman, less of a hunter. But a lot of this stuff gets passed on to friends, goes on to giveaways, or is generally used in the outdoors for me. I already told you the Gerber knife I'm really interested in, so we'll check that out and see how that thing works. So let's hear your thoughts on the Hunt Vault Elite box, and yeah, especially if you get Hunt Vault, I'd love to hear what your experience has been. Thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.